With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Today our question is, the sides of a triangle are given by the equations y minus 2 is equals to 0, y plus 1 is equals to 3, x minus 2, and the third one equation is x plus 2y is equals to 0. We have to find graphically the area of triangle and the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle. So let us write down the given equations first. Y minus 2 is equals to 0, y plus 1 is equals to 3 of x minus 2, and the third equation is x plus 2y is equals to 0, right? So from here we will find our y values. Here our y is 2, here our y will be equals to 3 of x minus 2 minus 1, right? This one will go on right hand side, and here our y value will become 2y is equals to 0 minus x. This x is positive here, it will become minus on right hand side. So 2y is equals to minus x and y is equals to minus x by 2, right? Now we will find the points for different values of x. Here we can see that we will have a single line on y is equals to 2 where x will be 0, right? So here we will write x is equals to 0 and y is equals to, this is the first point of this line, and for this point we will put x is equals to 0. For x is equals to 0, our y will be 0 minus 2 is minus 2, 3 into minus 2 will be minus 6, and minus 6 minus 1 is minus 7. So for x is equals to 0 we will have minus 7, and for x is equals to 1, okay, let's say for x is equals to 2, for x is equals to 2 minus 2 will be 0, 0 into 3 is 0, and we will left with 0 minus 1, that is y is equals to minus 1. And the third point will be, let's say we are taking 3, x is equals to 3, so 3 minus 2 will be 1, 3 into 1 is 3 minus 1, that is 2. So we will have y is equals to 2, right? And for this equation, if we put x is equals to 0, let me write down it with another pen. For this equation, x is equals to 0, so our y will also be 0, right? For x is equals to 2, our y will become minus 1. We will not put any term of x such that the y becomes in fractions, right? So we will put a value such that y will also be a integer value, right? So for x is equals to 2, we will have y is equals to minus 1, and for x is equals to 4, we will have y is equals to minus 2. So we will find maximum 3 points for each line, right? In this equation we don't have a line, we have a single line, y is equals to, so we are not finding more points. So now we will make the graph. It will be like this, right? And here we can see that our maximum y value is going up to minus 7, and they are all in negative. So we will plot these points now. Minus 7 will be right here in the vertical axis downwards. So minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, right? And x, let us make the x-axis also 0, 1, 2, 3. This is not 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, because this is the 0th point, origin, right? And this is your x-axis and this is minus of y-axis. Now we have the first point as x is equals 0 and y is equals to 2. So we will plot it here. Y is equals to 2, and this is your 1, right? So we will make a line here. This is your y is equals to 2 equation. Now the points on second equation are 0 and minus 1, 2 and minus 1. So 0, minus 1, that means 0, minus 1 is this, and 2, with 2 we have 0 and minus 7, 2 and minus 1. So 0 and minus 7, this is your 0 and this is minus 7, and 2 with minus 1. So this is the another point. And the third point is 3 and 2. So 3 is this and 2 is on y axis. So this is the 3 and 2 points. So we will now join these points. right? So this is the resulting line equation, and the third line is x plus 2y is equal to 0, right? So here our x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. The second point is 2 and minus 1. So the first point is this, second point is 2 and minus 1. So 2 and minus 1 will be right here. This is the 2 and minus 1. And the third point is 4 and minus 2. So 4 is this and minus 2 will be right here. Now we will join these points also, and we will get our so now we have plotted all the three equations on the graph. Now we have asked that what is the area of the triangle. To find the area, we have the formula as area is equals to half into base into height, right? And here we can see that the triangle is forming here. This triangle is forming here, right? And the coordinates of this triangle will be, let me write down the coordinates. This is approximately minus 4. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. And y coordinate will be 2, right? So minus 4 and 2. And here it will be 3 and 2. And this is our 2 and minus 1. So these are the coordinates of the triangle. Here we can see we have no height, right? We don't have the height here. So we will make a perpendicular from this point to this line, and we can see this is your height, right? So half into base into height. If this is if the height is falling, perpendicular is falling on this line, then this will become the base, and we can see that this distance, horizontal distance, is 3 units, and this distance is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 plus 3 is 4 plus 3 will be 7. So our base is 7, and height will be this vertical distance plus this vertical distance. So this is 2 units, and this much is 1 unit. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So we will have our height as 3. So now 7 is 21. So 21 upon 2, that means 10.5 square units is the area of this triangle, right? And we have asked the coordinates also. So the coordinates of the triangle are we can say minus 4, 2, minus 4, 2, 3, 2 and 2, minus 1. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.